What is up everyone, welcome to Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can enable or disable auto rotate or landscape mode in Samsung Galaxy A42 or in Samsung Galaxy A82. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and start our video without wasting any time. So to enable or disable auto rotation, first of all you just need to tap on screen and hold for 2 seconds and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video.